MacBook. Hey guys, Sunless Gaming here and welcome back to my channel. And since now it's raining very hard outside and I decided why not to make a video about this MacBook, and by the title you just read, today we are going to be installing some kind of Windows operating system on this Mac. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is going to be not my first attempt of trying to install Windows with a bootcamp on this Mac, because I tried to install Windows 10 a couple of times but it just kept crashing it. So today we are going to be hopefully installing Windows 7 on this Mac and to see if it will actually work. So this Mac will just quickly boot up. Let's enter the password. Okay, and here we are at the bootcamp assistant, and now I just noticed how reflective this screen really is, but I guess we will have to deal with it for now. So now we're going to hit continue. Well, it has encountered a problem right out of the bat. Well, let's try it one more time, I guess. As you can see, it's going really well with this Mac. Maybe it does have to do something with it being with a cracked newer version of macOS, I don't know. Because it's running unofficially a newer Mac's operating system. What kind of operating system do we have here? I don't really. Oh yeah, we have macOS Ventura on this, so it's unofficially installed on this Mac. So it might have something to do with the macOS Ventura installed on this, but who knows? Okay, so I think you can install it on the flash drive, and no, I'm not going to create Windows 10 install disk because I have already created my Windows 7 install disk. So I'm just going to remove Windows 10 or later Mac partitions or something like that, and download the latest Windows support from Apple. We are going to hit continue. Yes, this is our destination disk. Well, would you look at that? Download could not continue. An error occurred while downloading Windows support software. Great. I guess now we're just going to do like that, I guess, just to remove Windows 10 or later versions and just hit continue. Restore disk assembly. Click restore to remove the Windows partitions and restore the spaces used to back macOS bootcamp assistant will return 170 GB back to APFS container disk 1. Well, we're just going to click restore, I guess. Let's enter our super secret password and restore the disk. So I believe now it's just deleting the Windows partitioning bootcamp disk, I believe. And it's going to just restore it to a full volume of the macOS disk. And now we'll have to wait. And by the way, now I just came prepared and I'm downloading Windows 10 from an official Microsoft store, and I will copy a Windows 10 operating system to this Mac later on. But as you can see, I have a Windows 10 22H2 English International 64-bit ISO, but that one I tried, it didn't work, so I don't know if the official from the Microsoft store will work. The Windows partition has been removed and your disk restored to a single volume. Quit. So what if we go and do it now with unpartitioned Windows disk with the bootcamp? Okay, so now we are back. We have our Windows 10 ISO officially downloaded from Microsoft, and here is our USB stick. We're just going to plug it in, start our bootcamp assistant, hit continue, again hit continue because we are creating a brand new install of Windows 10 on an USB stick using a bootcamp assistant. So okay, the old data will be deleted and formatted. It's fine for me. Make sure that it's correct ISO. Yes, it is. Now we're gonna hit continue. We are going to enter our password. And now it's formatting selected drive. And hopefully this time it will actually install onto an USB stick. And pray to God that it will actually work this time, because who knows. Or maybe it will just crash on the boot screen, on the Windows boot up screen, who knows. But I'll see you when it's finished downloading and installing all the necessary bootcamp assistant drivers and formatting the Windows ISO to a flash drive. I accept the license and terms. Next. So we're gonna hit on bootcamp. So it doesn't let me to install any of the disks. So I guess format? Okay. Oh, okay, now it works. Okay, it works actually. Fingers crossed that it will actually work, because I don't know. It might just end up crashing in the middle of the installation process, but who knows right now. I'm just excited that it's actually installing Windows on this Mac. So I'll do probably a time lapse and I'll meet you back when it's finished installing. My phone is running out of space, so let's make it very quick. Okay, what is my region? My region is Lithuania. Yes. Okay. Let's quickly go through the setup. Is this the keyboard layout? I believe so. Skip for now. I don't have an internet. Continue with limited setup, because I don't care. My name is Simas, and password is gonna be nope to that. And just a moment. And hi, hello. We're getting everything ready for you. How cool is that? This might take several minutes. Well, it depends. If you're using on a hard drive, then yeah, it might take several minutes. Oh, here we go, and we are greeted with welcome to bootcamp install. We'll guide through the steps. Okay, next. I accept, install, maybe later. Yeah, this laptop doesn't have battery still. I haven't got around ordering a new battery for this laptop because I'm still not sure if I will be really using this laptop. So now we are just going to install drivers and that's it. And I will meet you back when everything is installed, and I will do a quick review with Windows 10 on this Mac. Well, after I installed the macOS drivers and restarted the computer, it just blue screened. As you saw it, I just tried to change the brightness on the screen and just blue screened. It's not going so well, isn't it? Let's see if it will blue screen this time. Okay, entering my password. Let's see how it will go. Maybe some drivers were not working properly, so that's why it blue screened. Who knows? Okay, so we've made it to a desktop. As you can see, right now I'm using keyboard and mouse, external keyboard and mouse, because I needed an add symbol earlier when I was trying to log into my Google Chrome account. But as you can see, like some icons are not here. Okay, here they are. Let's see if the sound works. Okay, the sound works. At least that's good. But does the resolution work on this? The Bluetooth seems to be working, I guess. Yeah, I think the Bluetooth does work. Let's try the camera, I guess, to see if it does work as well. Camera out, let's see if it works. Yes, the inside, yeah, hello. Should get a haircut pretty soon. Okay. Overall, it works perfectly fine. Some kind of blue screen was there earlier on, but as you can see, it works perfectly fine. Okay, here we are at my channel. Let's watch our Recycle Center PC. It's trying to play an ad, as you can see. I looked around and I found out that it has graphics card, and on the motherboard I saw it's a great PC, so why not take it home? After taking it home, I took it apart, and when I tested it, the PC wasn't even turning on. It was just trying to... It's not that bad actually. We are watching it at 720p. It's loading pretty well actually, so I'm not complaining at all. Only 6 frames dropped, as you can see by the statistics. It's running pretty smoothly actually. But yeah, browsing web, it's perfectly fine, because like right now this Mac cannot properly run newer versions of macOS unless you use the open core patcher. But Windows 10, yeah, you can just install it and it will work perfectly fine. Let's see, okay, it dropped the resolution down, as you can see. Went to 360p. Let's go back to 720p to see how it will go. And I think it's going perfectly fine. Actually, it's much better than macOS. Because on macOS you can barely watch at 360p, and on Windows it's perfectly fine at 720p actually. And so far so good. As you can see, the keyboard even works. The illumination from the lighting from the keyboard works. And what I found out that the command key acts as a Windows key, but I still haven't figured out how to like copy and paste. For example, how to Control C, Control V, for example. Nope, you cannot, so I don't know. So yeah, I think that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video of me trying to install an operating system on this Mac, and it actually worked. So yeah, as you can see, 6 gigs of RAM, Intel Core i5 3rd generation, running 64-bit operating system. So full specs down here. And yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and till the next time, goodbye.